We're going to Harvey again. More after this. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome back to the shack. Yeah, we're heading to Harvey this morning. Beautiful day. Yesterday I was supposed to go, but it actually had a little bit of drizzle. It rained, I don't know, sometime at night or in the morning, but don't want to take a chance. So today it's nice and we're heading to Harvey. Kick back, relax, enjoy the ride. That's it. That is my new bandsaw. So we're ready. Head home and we can do the unboxing. because I spent a lot of time there with Hung. Very interesting, some of the stuff happening. They're rearranging the warehouse. They're actually going to have a spot there that they're going to try to make content for YouTube, of all things, right? We'll just see what happens. But I checked out the area. Ooh, that accident. Holy cow, dude. I don't know what he hit. So what I'm going to go over, I know some people have questioned some of the things that I have done to my table saw. Basically what Hung said, it is per basis, I guess. So as long as there's nothing wrong with my motor, because I didn't physically move the motor, try to alter the motor, I did not void my warranty. Putting leg levelers on the cabinet does not void the warranty. It has nothing to do with the overall operation of the table saw. So some of the things that I have done have not voided the warranty. As long as I am not physically trying to alter the trunnion, the motor, anything like that, I am fine. So that is absolutely a-okay. The reason I picked up this bandsaw, I got a good deal. I will put in some pics. This is their sale price. When I initially approached Harvey, basically Sam, Hung, and them at the warehouse here, I asked them, because of the response and things that I've done as far as Harvey is concerned, helping others, being like their off-site customer service, and I have to thank Teresa and a lot of the other people that have emailed me. I shared your email with Harvey and I was able to get this price. Now I didn't want it for free. I know it's weird, but I really don't want anything for free. If I get it for free, I feel like I'm very indebted to somebody. I'd rather work for what I have. It's just something ingrained in me. So when she initially asked, oh, you looking for a partnership or a consignment or something, I forget what the word she used. I said, no, I just want a good deal. So I said, can you give me a good deal on the bandsaw? I need a bandsaw. I want to start doing some resaw. That's the main purpose of this bandsaw. So she came back, basically you saw the sale price. She came back at $100 off that sale price. I said, no, that's not a deal to me. Because of the people I've helped, I would like a better deal. Making the video for the yellow bar, I don't know if they've changed the manual since. I think they have, but at that time it didn't say much and a lot of people were confused. They just didn't put it together and they didn't think that taking that bolt out would have an effect, and it did, because it was what really held the motor in place. So with the few things that I've done, the help that I have given to other people, which I truly am thankful for and feel very blessed to do, I enjoy that. Really, I truly enjoy helping people more than anything. I just wanted a good deal, so I said, this is the price I would like to pay. Talk to whoever you got to talk to and then let me know. 2 weeks went by and I figured, well, I guess it was too much, they ain't going to do nothing. Right when I was almost ready to make a move on a Grizzly. Now I'm going to put something in real quick if I can find it. I was looking at the Grizzly 19-inch, but what stopped me was that the resaw capability is only 12 inches. You have a massive 19-inch, which means you got about 18.5 inches width-wise between the blade and the body over here. You could put something in that wide, but the height was only 12 inches. 19-inch bandsaw, and all I get is 12 inches. The Harvey 15-inch bandsaw, you have a 14-inch height resaw capacity. So that stopped me. I said, you know what? I'm not even going to worry about Grizzly. That's just not enough for that big of a bandsaw. Fortunately, later that day, I got an email from Sam. They agreed they would sell me the bandsaw for $2,000. To me, that's a good deal. I didn't want a sale price. I wanted better than sale price. I don't want free. If I had 100,000 subscribers, then maybe, yeah, I may want even better than that, because I have a ton of viewers. But since I'm not 100,000 subscription level, I don't know if I'd ever hit that. I just enjoy this. It's more of a fun thing to do, and I truly want to help people understand some of the tools that they have. Kind of go over the little things, and yeah, I get a little nitpicky, but that's just me. So for me, $2,000 was a very good price. So that's what I paid for. I paid $2,000 for this bandsaw, and I am very, very happy with that. So onward we go. We head home, and we'll continue this there. Well, thank you, Lord, we had no damages. Yes, it did tip over. Bringing it off the trailer, I have two 2x6s I use to bring things on and off the trailer if I can't roll them up on the ramp, because the ramp is kind of steep. So something like this, I didn't want to tip them down and try to get off. It's easier to get these 2x6s that I use to get things into the truck, set them on there, so it's a little bit easier getting off the trailer. I did the same thing for the table saw, went perfectly. Unfortunately, this time we did have an incident. The right ramp, I literally only had maybe a foot left to get it off. All of a sudden I heard it crack, it dipped down, and that's when you saw this go down and then go over. I looked at the wood, I can't see, but if you stand on it, it's very weak now. So something happened, it just got compromised. Luckily it wasn't further up and it was higher to go over. It probably would have had some serious damage, but it was down lower and I had trash stacked right there. Yes, I had taken stuff out of the trailer. I was going to go to the dump. I just didn't have enough to go to the dump. Didn't want to drive all the way down to the warehouse with the stuff in there, so I took it out, stacked it right there on the side. When this tipped over, it went over, and the stack of trash, there was boxes, some clothes, pillows, things. It went over, it hit that, so it was basically a cushioned fall. Oh my goodness. If it had to go, that's the best way, the best scenario. So the only thing that did happen, I checked everything over here. Everything is fine except for the key, because the key's inside here. The key actually is bent. It goes up and over. It was in, I think, that way, and it bent. So it went over, hit something, and it bent that. That I can deal with. I'm not going to worry about it when it's just a key. There we go. Everything else was fine. No scratches, everything looks good. Everything is functional. So I think we're good to go. When I tried to lift it up though, it was past my limit. There was no way I could get this up any higher. I got about my waist. I was trying to do everything I could do to try to get higher, no way. When I opened the box, I pulled out the cast iron tabletop. That stupid thing is at least 100 pounds. I think it's heavier than the damn table saw. It's crazy heavy. I took that out. That was the only way I was able to get this upright again. Crazy how much this stinking thing weighs, and it's full of oil. I mean, my hands were soaked. I was trying to grab it out and I kept slipping. It was crazy. But once I got it out, I was able to upright this. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell so you are notified when the next videos come out. The next video, I'm going to get the mobile base set up. We're going to get this on the mobile base and we're going to start the assembly process, get it all put together and start getting everything aligned and try a couple cuts because I have some things I have to do. So as soon as I get this together, I'm putting it to work. That's going to be it on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. This is one heavy mother. Make sure you have a friend. It will save you almost a heart attack. I am so glad it didn't get damaged. So thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.